Research ethics. That term is very broad and can mean a lot of things to different people. For those of us that are practitioners, that means, again, trying to always utilize the latest information in guiding our clinical and professional practice, making sure we're using the latest techniques and doing the best job we can for our clients. But it also has a meaning for researchers. While I know that most of you are not going to become researchers in the future, it's still important to understand the process that a researcher has to go through as they design and implement a study. So in this presentation, I hope to go over some of those objectives and then utilize a variety of outside resources to help you learn more about research ethics, how it applies to you, and how it applies to researchers. So the objectives for this subunit is to first define what research ethics means. And I've sort of done that already, but that means again, utilizing research information appropriately and in a correct fashion, staying up to date on our knowledge of the latest research in a particular field, but it also means protecting human subjects that are involved in a research project. It means explaining to them what the expectations are and so on. So through a variety of different outside resources, what I hope to do is give you a better understanding of the concept of human subject protections that is required by federal law for anyone that's gathering data in a research project, whether it be associated with a university or a private company. We have to protect human subjects, make sure that they understand the goals of a study that they're participating in, what their actual participation means, what they will be doing, what you will be measuring, and so on. As part of that process, the subjects, the participants in a research project, whether it be a qualitative or a quantitative study, need to be given that information and then provide consent, written consent that they agree to participate. We also have to protect them, tell them of their risks, tell them what happens if they do get hurt, and what remedies may be available to them. We'll go through a number of different videos that explain this concept of research project approval and the protection of human subjects. Any study that you'll find in a peer-reviewed research journal has undergone that and has to prove that as part of the publication process. So we know that the subjects in the studies that we've evaluated have been given that consent, given that information about how the study is going to work and what their participation actually means. I also think research ethics extends beyond just that. For those of us that are reading this research and working with clients, helping them achieve their goals, I think it's incumbent upon us to also have some ethics, to always be trying to provide the best possible advice, best possible care, programs, whatever it is that we're providing for our clients, to use the best professional practice techniques available to us. And that means we need to keep reading the research, keep applying that research to our professional practice so we're always enhancing our skills and doing the best job we can for our clients. Anyway, that's the introduction for this subunit. Take a look at the videos and links and documents that I'm going to share and let me know if you have any questions.